All right, we're getting ready to go do a survey to find out teachers' opinions on two objects and their temperature. We have a brass weight and a book.
All right. It's really simple. I just need your opinion.
Okay.
I'm going to let you put your hand on both of these objects, and I want you to tell me if you feel any temperature difference or if you feel like they feel the same. So the first one is a book.
Okay.
Okay, and the second one is a brass weight.
This one feels colder.
It feels colder.
Yeah, than the book.
It does. All right. Why do you think that one feels colder?
Because it's made out of metal, and metal reacts more to temperature than paper does.
All right. I have these two objects here. One of them is a book, and the other one is a metal weight. And I just want you to touch both of these, and I want you to tell me whether you think one of them is warmer or colder than the other, or if you think they're the same temperature.
I feel like they're the same temperature.
Okay. All right. I've got two objects here. I have a book and I have a metal weight, and I want you to touch each of these and tell me if you think there's any temperature difference. If one of them's warmer or colder, or if you think they're the same temperature.
This one's colder. This one's colder.
Okay. All right. I've got two objects here. One of them is a book, and the other one is a brass weight. And I just want you to hold both of these objects, maybe put them on the back of your hand, and tell me if you think there's a temperature difference or if you think they're the same.
I think there's a temperature difference.
Okay?
I think this one's warmer.
Okay. First one is a book. Okay. It is a book. And
Yes.
the second one is this brass weight.
I mean, that feels colder.
So which one do you think was colder?
The metal. I don't know if it actually is, but it feels colder.
Well, why do you think that this one is colder than the book? Because they've been out in the
I'm
room.
guessing because of the material type.
So the material makes this colder than the book?
I'm guessing it's the metal.
So we've asked everybody about the book and the weight, and so now we want to actually temperature probe them and see what their actual temperature is. So the book reads out at 21 and 2/10 degrees Celsius. Let's check the brass weight next. It reads out at 21 and 4/10 Celsius. So we can see that essentially these two objects are the same temperature. I wonder what's going on.